rear lip is starting to look like it's coming off of 2 pieces. What the fuck? Alright, what's up guys? So a while back I ordered this lip for the IS300 and it's damaged. It's in 2 pieces, it's split up. And honestly, I'm still gonna install it. I don't really care. This car is just a daily. I don't really care for it right now to make it look immaculate or whatnot. I'm filming on my phone, so if the video and audio quality are different from other videos, then my bad, you know. But yeah, this car, what can I say? It's getting clapped out. It's honestly the Honda Civic of now. You know, back then we had the Honda Civic, now we have IS300s. So this car, 2022, the coming year, we will be doing more stuff to it and actually making it nice. But right now, you know, I've never had a car where I could actually rice it out, so I actually want to do this. And you know what? It's my car. I'm gonna do it. So we're gonna rice out the IS300 today by putting on a 2-piece spoiler or rear bumper lip. It's not a 2-piece; it's just ripped, so it's in 2 pieces. And we're just gonna put it on with probably some wood screws or some rivets, who knows what. But we're gonna try to make it look as best as possible. But let me give you guys a quick walk around of what I mean by it's clapped. So we have these side skirts that are just completely hanging. Fender that all warped. You know, bumper that's loose and falling like most IS300s. Don't ask me about that. You know, the car is relatively clean though, so I can't really complain. But it's just little details that need to get worked out, like little door dings and stuff like that. But we're gonna slowly start buying new panels and stuff like that to replace everything that's damaged on this, so we could do a wrap. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I mentioned in the previous video that I wanted to wrap this car, so we will do that. We will be replacing all the lip kits and the front and rear bumper and maybe fenders. For sure that passenger side fender. But for now, I'm gonna just enjoy it and I'm gonna do what I want with this car. You know, mechanically it's sound, cosmetically but might as well take advantage of it. It's gonna get, you know, redone down the road, so you know, I'm just enjoying and do dumb stuff with it. So let's get to installing. We already have the drill here with some screws. As you guys can see, we're already ripped from just sitting. Put 2 screws right there. Probably gonna throw a couple around it, like maybe for starters back here just to hold it in. And I'm gonna try to limit myself on how much screws I put and just try to work it in with heat. Alright, so far we got this side done. Now we just gotta figure it out with the heat lamps. Just work it in and have it sit properly. Alright, so far we got this piece. Now we're just trying to heat up this corner to soften up the rubber, plastic, whatever it is. So we're able to line it up and get it to fit properly. Alright guys, we're in the last corner of this lip. Obviously we got a tear right here. Not a problem. We don't really care about this bumper or this lip. We're just gonna go ham at it. And if you guys are wondering why am I ruining this car, I'll give you guys an explanation right after I'm done installing this. So there we have it. The shitty install with a shitty lip. I mean, it's decent, I guess. So now what I'm gonna do, I'll pull out all these screws and then drill the hole out a bit more and then use rivets, and it should be a cleaner look. So when I wrap it or decide to wrap just the lip, I'll be able to hide it a bit better. Alright, we're halfway there with the rivets. Stitch some shit up right there. I'll knock this one in. Yeah, okay, this one's hard. Alright, there we have it. As you guys can see, you can see all the rivet points. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a black paint pen, touch up every little rivet, make them black, and then try to add some type of armor all or something just to make the, you know, polyurethane dark and glisten and try to match the body. But yeah, ricer. Alright, there we have it. Does not look any better, and I think the paint just came off. So I have it soaking with a little bit of tire shine. So once it dries off a bit, then I'll go touch up the rivets again, or just leave it. I don't really care. Yeah. There's a side view. Not bad. I don't really care. But it is what it is.